Hi, and welcome to another episode of LekkerMoto. If you're anything like me, then you're likely fanatical about saving weight and space on your adventure or dual sport motorcycle. I'm always obsessing about packing lighter and taking less stuff, and that's why I've been testing this. The smallest air compressor in the world. Today I attempt to answer the age-old question, does size really matter? I'll be comparing this little thing against some of the more traditional competition to determine whether it is in fact a viable alternative. And these are the contenders: a CO2 inflator, both small and large canisters, a medium-sized battery-powered air compressor, an old plug-in style air compressor, and last but not least, the trusty old foot pump. Make sure to stick around till the end for the mystery contender. Right, let's do this. Test 1. Portability. How light and packable is it? The tiny compressor clearly takes this one. Test 2. Speed. How long to inflate to 30 psi? It was at this point I learned that the CO2 canister is incapable of inflating to 30 psi. Neither small nor large canisters. The clear winner here is manpower, with the foot pump beating all forms of technological advancement. Test 3. Repeatability. How many times can it inflate to 30 psi? The foot pump and plug-in compressor went hands down here, but we're trying to save space, remember? So the next best thing is the medium-sized air compressor. So, how did the various options fare? The tiny compressor, 5-star portability, 3-star speed, 2-star repeatability. The CO2 inflator, 5-star portability, 5-star speed, and 0-star repeatability. A small CO2 canister only inflates to 6 psi. The large canister inflates to 9. If, like me, you've been carrying these on your motorcycle for years and never use them, get rid of them now. They're an absolute dead weight. Medium-sized compressor, 3-star portability, 3-star speed, 4-star repeatability. A sensible mid-size option. And the bicycle foot pump? Well, that was never a real contender to begin with. And the plug-in compressor? 1-star portability, 4-star speed, 5-star repeatability. I can't be bothered to lug this tank of a thing on my bike any longer, so I've relegated mine to the car. But if you like caravanning with your motorcycle, then it might just work for you. And bonus, the battery-powered air compressors feature an LED light to locate and inflate valve stems in the pitch dark. I suppose the plug-in style air compressor could be used for self-defense. Remember the mystery contender? Well, if you're one of those 3-in-1 body wash, face wash and shampoo kind of guys, then stick around because this one's for you. It's the Red E compressor jumper. This 10,000 milliamp hour lithium battery is the approximate weight and size of the plug-in compressor, but doubles as a compressor, jumper, flashlight and power bank. And it also comes in this handy container with ample space for additional tools and spares.
Tecnologia!
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 I shouldn't have technology.
Tecnologia!
So, does size really matter? I'll let you decide. As for me, I'll be carrying 2 tiny compressors. See links to these products in the description. I've managed to score some discount codes for you and there'll also be a giveaway. So head over to the LekkerMoto Instagram page for entry details.